Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to export your Instagram chat and messages. So first, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the three lines in the top right to go to your settings and activities section. From here, tap on Account Center and open it. Then after, go to Your Information and Permission. There you'll get the option of Export Your Information. Tap on this option and wait for it to load. Now select Create Export and under the profiles, find your account and tap on it. Then select Export to device or external service according to your preference. And after that, you can go ahead and customize your information, like choose to export your messages only or anything that you prefer. Then tap on Start Export. But before that, you can also select the format, your date range, and media quality as well. Then after, select Start Export and finally enter the correct password of your account. And once the export is ready, a download option will appear, allowing you to download the file to your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.